It's the biggest and the grandest day. The final moment is here when we are going to witness Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant getting married tonight. We've been seeing all the visuals coming in tonight from the red carpet. Anant Ambani, along with his family, Neeta Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, they all came to the carpet dressed in traditional outfits. Neeta Ambani wore Abu Jani, Sandeep Khosla. Isha Ambani too wore an outfit from Abu Jani, Sandeep Khosla. Then we have had so many celebrities coming in. Priyanka Chopra Jonas arrived with husband and singer Nick Jonas. We saw John Cena tying safa and dancing in the barat. These lovely visuals came in from the evening ahead of the wedding. We are waiting for the Varmala and, of course, the Peras, which are scheduled for 9:30 as of now. And the long list of celebrities which we saw coming in tonight for the Shadi was, of course, Aryan Khan, Suhana Khan, superstar Rajnikant, Varun Dhawan, Khushi Kapoor, Ananya Pandey. They were all dressed in color-coordinated and, of course, customized cholis, which had Anant Brigade written all over it. They are all going to perform. We are going to have like 50 artists performing tonight. Joining us live from the venue is our reporter, Hesha Chima. Hesha, if you can take our viewers through what's happening at the moment on ground, give us a sense of it all.
Well, right now, Dipali, there's been mad hustle because after Priyanka Chopra and, Nick Jonas came in, it was insane because we had an exclusive footage of Priyanka fixing Nick's outfit just before they could come to the red carpet. So that was extremely cute. Right now, it's a little bit of a lull before the other guests come in because after everybody has come and met us at the red carpet, they've gone ahead and, they've made sure that they made their way to the Barat and everybody's dancing. We can hear from this particular spot all the mayhem that's happening on the other side of it, and certain visuals have also been floating. John Cena in that whole safa and performing was, I think, so cute. I think there was a whole mix of, like a blend of regional and then a little bit of a whole continental and international touch that has happened. So yeah, we're also hoping for Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan to come here super soon because Suhana and Ibrahim Gregor, and everybody's hoping that now very soon Shah Rukh and Gauri will also make their way here. Ranbir, Alia and the Bachchans, because Dipali, as you know, the Bachchans and the Ambanis have such a strong bond. They went all the way specifically to the Bachchan house and made sure that the card was delivered to them, the hard copy of it firsthand. So the Bachchans are also expected to be here super soon. So that's pretty much what's happening right now, while the rest of the other Baratis over there are having fun.
Absolutely, Hesha. The thing that you said, we are all waiting for Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri to arrive because Arya Khan and, of course, Suhana Khan both are there. Just a few days ago, we spotted Suhana and Shah Rukh Khan shopping around in New York. And now they've specially flown down back to Bombay just for this wedding. We are also seeing these fresh bands which are being tied to the guest. There's a blue band which I saw on the wrist of Atlee's wife, and then there's a red band which was tied to Madhuri Dixit and her family. What was that about? And also, I'm hearing that a lot of performances are going to be there. Like at least 50 artists are going to perform, including Amit Trivedi, Diler Mehndi. We are going to see Ananya, Khushi and Shania all dancing. Even Karan Johar is a part of some performance. I'm hearing that.
Well, Dipali, you're absolutely right in terms of what you're hearing. Let me add to that and also tell you that A.R. Rahman might also be performing, and he was also here some time back with his entire family at the red carpet. As far as the other young girls are concerned, which is Ananya and Suhana and Janvi and Khushi and Shania and all of them, they definitely will be performing because even before the festivities, or let me take you back also to the pre-wedding festivities, they all have been performing and dancing and having a good time. And yes, Yes, speaking of Shah Rukh and Suhana, while they were holidaying some time back, I feel Shah Rukh would no longer give this a miss. At least fingers crossed, that's what we are hoping. Since Suhana is already over here with Aryan. Shah Rukh was there all the way, even in Jamnagar, for the pre-wedding festivities. And he has given, the Mumbai festivities and the celebrations a miss. But he is expected to be here for at least the Varmala ceremony, which is due to start at about 8:30, depending upon how much more delay happens due to the rains and a little bit of an up and down of the schedule, because at the end of the day, it's a grand shadi and these things are normal.
Absolutely. Also, take us through what exactly is the Varmala time, because we are already running behind the schedule. It was supposed to happen at 3 p.m. and the Varmala was expected to happen at 8 p.m. What's the current status at the moment for Varmala and the Pheras?
Well, you're right. The Bharat started a little bit delayed, although we were scheduled to be here by 3 o'clock. It was about an hour and a half delay, and the schedule given to us for the Varmala was between 8 to 8:30. So, keeping that in mind, it can be slightly pushed. But, Dipali, let me highlight and tell you that Ambanis are absolutely religious, and since the fact there is a muhurat, for the Varmala and the Sindoor, and it is the main wedding, I feel they are definitely going to fast track everything so as, the muhurat is not gone short of. So, 8 to 8:30 is what we've been told, and I feel, given fact that most of the guests have also come in right now. We saw Rajnikant and Priyanka Chopra Jonas and Suhana and everybody else, Sanjay Dutt, So I feel this is the moment when they are going to actually speed track and fast track and make sure that the Ambanis don't miss out on the actual Muhurat, which was between 8 to 8:30.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us.